Hey guys, you're in a nutshell with me, Ina. Nako, alam mo itong guest natin. Sa mga feature stories na ginagawa ko, ito ang pinaka may maraming episode. Okay? Hindi kasama yung mga regular nating lawyers or RCICs ha. Sa mga ordinaryong mga gawa, yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Canada na pinag-uusapan natin lagi, yung stories of success nila lalo na. Ito, pangatlong episode niya na sa atin. You know why? Inimbita ko siya dahil meron na namang magandang development sa kanyang storya dito sa Canada. Another milestone in her journey, no? This time, I don't know, I hope you guys remember her, no? Sige, papasok ko na nga siya. Ano ba yan? Teka, papasok ko na siya. Eto na. Ayan, at nagbabalik si Celine Constantino, aka Pinay sa Canada, sa Saskatchewan, in Facebook. Okay, so i-follow niyo rin po siya doon. Naku, Celine, congratulations. Kaya ko po siya inimbita, guys, because if you remember her story is, siya po ay isang crew, nag-umpisa bilang crew member sa Jollibee in the Philippines until she became a manager, etc. Yan din po ang kanyang naging entry point to Canada sa food service ka, di ba?
Apo.
Dumating. Aba guys, congratulate natin siya dahil from being Jollibee crew in the Philippines, ano ba sa Canada yung pinagtrabahoan mo una, Celine?
Dairy Queen po, Miss Ina.
Dairy Queen.
Mhm.
Ngayon, she owns her own restaurant, Celine's Kitchen. Diyan sa bandang Saskatoon. Congratulations, Celine!
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Grabe, alam mo, hindi mo sa akin nabanggit na may ganito kang plan. May nabanggit ka ba? Actually, no? Inaalala ko, parang wala to sa plano mo nung huli kitang nakakwentuhan.
Mhm. Wala po, wala. Itong inirelease ko na to na negosyo ay it is not my plan but God's plan, to be honest. Oo. Kasi I've always wanted, ikwento ko na po ba how
Go,
we were
sige,
able to,
sige.
okay, back in the pandemic, this restaurant was offered, binewing naming mag-asawa nung pandemic, itong restaurant na to, cause it was up for sale. So, sabi ng asawa ko, it's pandemic, restaurant are closing, so probably not the right timing to own a restaurant. Pero, that was 2021 yata yun, nung una naming binewing. And then, hindi talaga ako makatulog, Miss Ina. Sabi ko, I really wanted to have my own restaurant. So I am able to get people from the Philippines and hire them overseas so I can, give them a better life. Kasi all my family is here na. So parang naging advocacy ko is to give people a chance to experience Canada para gumanda din yung buhay nila. And yun yung plano ko that time. Pero it didn't happen, Miss Ina, because unang-una, pandemic. So hindi kami nag-go, and then people probably is hesitant to buy the property because it's expensive and blah blah blah. The next year it was open again. It was offered. Hi, thank you so much for
Hi,
calling me.
hello.
I am having an interview. Yeah,
How was the food?
Thank you so much. Take care. So she said great service. So I'm very fortunate to have the supportive Canadian community in here. So anyway, so yun po. And then what happened is the next year it was offered again. The owner reached out to me and say, "Do you really want this?" And during that time for a commercial is 20% down payment for the property. I said I don't have sufficient money. And I used my money to buy a different rental property nung time na yun. So wala ako nung time na yun na ways to buy the property. And then all of a sudden, I heard a Filipino family, I thought they bought the place or probably rent the place. I don't know. So sabi ko, siguro hindi para sa akin, Miss Ina, kasi it didn't, kumbaga parang nung time na yun sabi ko, Lord, if it's for me, then make it happen. Kumbaga parang ibigay mo sa akin. If not, close the door, I will move on. Kumbaga ganun, no?
Okay.
Lagi kong prayer yon. And then all of a sudden, 2025, I don't have plans to become a business owner because I'm already having so much
ang
on the
dami mo
plate.
ng racket. Sa
I
totoo
have so
lang.
much on the plate already, Miss Ina, and I don't have plans. And then it came to my one night, I have seen the posting on Marketplace that it was up again. So for the fourth time, Miss Ina, I messaged the owner and I said, am I able to view the property once again for the fourth time? For the
Grabe.
fourth time. So, pinuntahan namin ang asawa ko without the, without the idea to put up a restaurant. So, I just try. Ganoon naman eh, di ba? Tingnan mo muna if something happens or something change, then you can decide. So, during that time, I don't have plans. And we came, and the Chinese owner, was really eager to sell this because he wanted to switch paths or switch career siguro. So he's probably tired for doing the restaurant operations, and he wanted to move back to his country. So sabi
Oo.
ko, I don't have enough. So paano ba to? Naghanap ako
Yung
ng,
pondo wala pa rin, ibig mo sabihin.
yes,
Okay.
wala pa. Well, we have some, but we have to let go one property in order to
Oo,
get
okay.
this. So what we did is we sold one property.
Oh, wow.
We sold one property in order to get this.
Oh,
So
wow.
parang nag-let go kami in order to get another one that would be probably beneficial to the people because Miss Ina, it always upsets me when I heard news that somebody was paying so much money to pay for their LMIA, and I
Oh.
know for a fact that people shouldn't pay for LMIA, and
Mm.
that is my advocacy. If time comes that I am able to get an LMIA, I am more than willing to offer it to people that is deserving to get the Lamia for free.
Yan.
That's what I wanted to do. And I always believe na you do good, everything comes back to you
That's
multiple
true. I
times,
believe
right?
that too.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So
Oh,
yun,
alam mo, sige. I will pray that you become eligible, no? Kasi I think kailangan mo muna be operational for a certain period of
for a
time.
year, for a
Oo,
year.
tapos kailangan pakita mo na sustainable yung operations mo,
Mm-hmm.
maganda yung
Yes,
team mo,
yes, yeah.
etc.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, alam mo, makakatulong ka ng malaki. So I will pray that you achieve that goal. Pero grabe, you really let go of one rental property. I can imagine yung rental property na yun, pinag-ipunan mo rin yun, di ba? Tapos, nako, did you ever think, nako, ibebenta mo pala yung isa for a restaurant? So you really wanted this bad, kung gano'n ang
Yes.
nangyari.
Kasi parang ito yung I'm always coming back to the idea of buying this.
Oo.
Parang ito yung God's redirection or God's sign na parang it's coming over and over again for four times, Miss Ina. It's coming and over, and it's knocking on our
Hindi ka
door na,
nilubayan, ano?
yes. So sabi ko sa asawa ko, medyo hesitant siya kasi syempre small town. But you know what? I told my husband, we have to keep up the faith. We have to try. We won't know until we try, right? So
Oo.
for more than 2 weeks, probably 3 weeks tomorrow, we've been operating for 3 weeks tomorrow. We have huge support from the community. Our food is making its noise into the community and area, and we're always sold out daily
Oo.
for buffet. Yeah.
And you're serving Filipino food. Ano bang sinaserve mo?
No, we're serving Canadian and Asian fusion cuisine.
Aba, iba pala 'to.
Yes.
Pero
Yeah.
yung Asian fusion, may
We have
kasamang Filipino ano diyan?
Filipino, Japanese, Korean, Thai,
Oo.
and Chinese.
Oh, wow! Then you
Yes.
must know a lot of ano. Ikaw ba nagluluto? May hinire kang chef? Paano ba?
No, I hired 3 chefs. May
Oh,
3 chefs
wow.
ako. They were international chefs. One used to work in a cruise ship company. One used to be the head chef of an international restaurant in Singapore. So I can really speak up to this chef because they're the one that's making the food. Great food, great feedback. I couldn't say anything else but great things. To
Oo.
like, I'm just so lucky to have them.
Oo,
To be
diyan po
honest.
sa Saskatoon ano, yung Celine's Kitchen. So as she
Humboldt kami,
mentioned,
Miss Ina. Humboldt, Saskatchewan.
Humboldt,
Yeah.
sorry, in
Mhm.
Humboldt pala. Okay.
And
Tawag go ahead.
you know what's funny? We went to a restaurant in Saskatoon last week, and somebody came to me and she knew me, and she said if I am open to have a franchise or to open another restaurant in Saskatoon, and I was
Ang
shocked.
bilis naman.
I know we just been operating for 2 weeks, and I said probably not yet, but I will consider in the future, pero hindi ngayon. Siguro I will stabilize ko muna siguro yung nandito,
Yeah.
and then I would consider that in the future. Alam mo 'yun? Sabi ko nga,
Oh.
So ko, what an amazing feedback, what an amazing offer. 'Di ba? Parang 2 weeks in operation and then somebody would offer if you are open for,
Oo.
branch out, 'di
Pero
ba?
I think tama yung decision mo, no? Focus ka muna dyan. Grabe guys, no? Magsi 3 weeks pa nga lang sila. How does it feel to be back basically in food service? Di ba? But this time, owner ka na.
Yes,
Imagine. Oo.
totoo. Nung nag-release ako ng press release ako sa Facebook ko, nung time na sinabi ko na we would be offering, everything just came back like parang na-reminisce mo lahat, how do you start? You first landed in Canada as a crew, not minding that you're probably gonna be an owner someday. Hindi ko yun
Oo.
Pero nung dumating ako dito, sabi ko, why not, 'di ba? Why not dream? Why not aspire for or set a goal that someday you'll become a business owner, 'di ba? Hindi
Oo
ko
nga.
rin naman yun parang hindi ko ipinlan. Parang okay na ako, Miss Inay. Sabi ko nga, I have so much on the plate already. Pero parang eto yung calling and eto yung parang something that is missing, to be
Oo.
honest. Eto na
Para
yung kulang.
Oo, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung pangalawa kong episode kay Celine, actually, pinag-uusapan namin dun, yung iba't iba niyang mga racket, okay? Kumbaga talaga nga sabi niya 'no, hindi niya na kailangan itong restaurant na ito. So, meron na siya mga rental properties, ayun na nga yung isa dun, ni-let go niya and parang meron ka ring cleaning business, 'di ba,
Yes.
yung mga
Apo,
ganyan.
meron. Mm.
Tapos rumaraket siya before sa mga production ng mga concert, parang mga gano'n, 'di ba? Kung ano-ano. Bakit mo 'to pinasok at a time na alam mo naman yung usap-usapan tungkol sa ekonomiya?
Yes.
Some businesses are shutting down, et cetera. Bakit ka naglakas loob at palagay mo magsu-survive ito?
I have so much faith in the chef and the community itself.
Mm.
I guess the community would be able to support us as long as you are able to provide great customer service plus the food. So,
Oo.
etong mga chef ko, I have seen their resume when they send it to me. They were an international chef, very knowledgeable with different types of cuisine. The sushi is just
Oo.
something to try and to brag, to be honest. The
Ah,
sauces are homemade. Everything that we offer or we are serving is homemade. We
yeah.
start from the scratch. Yeah.
Well, Celine, good luck, no? Ang nakaka-proud dyan, siyempre, dapat, at I have no doubt na magiging maganda ang service mo. Tulad nung sinabi nung, nung customer mo na kakaalis.
Oo, oo, oo.
Sana magpatuloy yan and your continued success because of course you are still bringing the Filipino pride with you. Pag nalaman nila, sino may-ari nito? Ba't ang ganda ng service? Di
True.
ba, Pilipino yung may-ari, di
Mm-mm.
ba? Oo.
Oo, true yan. Alam mo,
Congrats
meron akong
ulit! Oh.
thank you po. Alam nyo, if there is something that I would like the viewers to learn from the story is to never give up on your dreams. If you are an aspiring business owner, an aspiring restaurant owner, push it. It may take time. It may take a decade kasi it took me a decade to open up a restaurant. And probably before siguro I was aspiring to have one, pero
Mhm.
I did not imagine kasi everything happened so quick. Like
Oh,
yung sinasabi ko nga, sobrang bilis ng pangyayari. Pero parang pag ibibigay sa'yo, Miss Ina, ibibigay eh. Alam mo,
oo.
kahit na kulang ka sa funds, kahit na may kulang or whatever yan, kapag ibibigay, ibibigay. And if
Yeah.
it's not for you, it's not gonna happen. So I
Oo.
always believe na kapag may gusto sila, regardless if you started from the scratch, be proud where you came
Yeah.
from. And don't stop dreaming. That's all I wanna say. 'Di ba?
Okay.
Don't
O,
stop
diba?
dreaming. Kasi ito isang bagay na payayamanin yayabungin na lang. We have to make the business grow in order to support people or to
Yeah.
help people in the future.
Basta maganda ang intensyon mo, Celine, maganda rin ang
True.
chances na bibiyayaan ka ng husto, 'di ba?
True,
Okay,
true po.
short but sweet ang ating episode, no? Meron pa kasing paghahandaan itong si Celine, busy talaga.
Yes,
But
I
thank
have
you so much for your time, Celine. Again, third episode ka na sa akin, But maraming salamat. I appreciate so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it. Dito na po natin tatapusin ang ating episode. Ayun, yung restaurant niya, bagong-bago pa. Bisitahin niyo siya dyan sa Humboldt, Celine's Kitchen. We'll end this episode here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Thank you. Bye.